We saw some crazy movement, everyone. This stock went up 14% in a span of only 40 minutes. Let's talk about it. Hey, you lucky traders, my name is Sean, and this is Sean Stocks. This is my third video on Workhorse. If you missed out on my first two videos, you can binge watch them in the description below. Before I get started, though, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, so please use your own judgment and do your own due diligence on anything I talk about today. If you appreciate my close following of Workhorse and want to get this video out to more people and help spread the word about Workhorse's momentum, please like this video, share with a friend or community, and subscribe. Keep in mind, the more likes and subscribes, the more the YouTube algorithm is likely to push this video out to more people and keep this Workhorse momentum going. So with that being said, let's get started. First, we're going to check out the movements of the day. As I mentioned, this stock had a crazy movement today. We opened at $15.69, and with a span of only 40 minutes, we shot up to the high of the day of $18. Holy crap, I was so shocked when I saw that happen. You know, when you see momentum like that, you know that this is a powder keg that's about to explode. This stock has a lot of potential, and I hope that you recognize it with this crazy movement at the beginning of the day. After that, we saw that the RSI was overextended, and this stock started a downward trend until it reached this little nice George W and recovered a little bit. Then in the midday at about noon, we saw the stock go under the VWAP and dive to $16.35. But that is not where the stock ended, luckily. We jumped right back up to another peak of $17.50, and then it cooled off and we closed the day off at $16.96. Get this, at the end of the day, we had an 8.65% jump overall. That's extremely healthy. I hope that we maintain that level tomorrow even, especially since we only dropped 3 cents in the after hours. Next, the volume for the day was crazy high compared to the previous days. We're talking 46.99 million shares traded, when on Friday we only had 13.7 million, which is about 1/3 of the volume from today. So we are showing some good growth. Next, we're going to check out the Ortex data. Looking at the Ortex data, we can see that the short interest percentage of the free float is sitting at 40.52%. That is still at a really high level. The current days to cover is at 3.94 days, and we are also having a 97.52% utilization rate. Lastly, the cost to borrow is at 9.38%. That is a good amount. Imagine you're at a 9.38% cost to borrow. That is interesting, okay? Next, we're going to look at Ape Wisdom. This is probably the most proud that I am of this stock in this week alone, okay? Workhorse is number 2 on trending on Reddit for the past 24 hours. Number 2. Yesterday, I mentioned that Workhorse was number 9, everyone. When we take a look and we see it's at number 2, that's amazing. That is a huge momentum, and it shows that we have a bunch of other apes talking about this wonderful stock that we have. Of course, AMC is number 1 on the list, especially with their 7.49% jump for the day. But I'm really just excited for this stock to keep going up, and hopefully we will see this Workhorse stock explode soon. So if you aren't a member, though, of this Reddit page, this Workhorse Reddit page, please check it out. There's a link to the subreddit in the description. Right now, we have 8.6 thousand members. In my last video, we had 8.2 thousand members. So some solid growth of about 400 members for the day. So please join the community and check it out. Next, we're going to go back to the Webull app. We're going to go back to the Webull app and check the order flow. Today, we were up. We can see that large scale orders coming in outpaced the outflow by about 1.12 million. To me, that is exciting as we see some big financial whales and big institutions coming in and making some large purchases. Purchasing the stock when it went up 8.65% today is an interesting move. So hopefully that is a good sign for us hodlers out there. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you have anything that you would like me to add into these videos about Workhorse for future, please comment down below. Also, I really appreciate the support that you've been showing me. We've actually just gained over 1,000 subscribers on this channel, within 1 month, and I'm really excited for the momentum that we have, especially since it will make it easier to share these great stocks with other traders as well. Thank you so much. Lastly, of course, if you like this video and want me to continue following Workhorse, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe. As always, have a great trading day, you lucky people. Take care. Bye-bye.